Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a special offer that I want to show you guys, and actually it's because the ATM cards have not been working. Like, the banks have blocked some ATM cards. That's why I have this offer to show you guys how to make cardless arbitrage, whereby you can make unlimited amount of money every single day using just your mobile phone. So without further delay, let's go into this video. So for this video, what you are going to be need is just your Latoken app, or you can use Hotbit, you can use Latoken, you can also use, and you need some funds, like just like maybe like 100,000 naira, and that's all you need. So now for this training, I'm going to show you guys like how to spot the coins that will make you the type of profit I'm talking about. So right now I'm in my Latoken. Like, this is Latoken. Let me show you guys. This is Latoken. As you can see, this is Latoken. So when you log in, when you open your Latoken, as you can see right now, I've been verified. So this is what you get. So what you need to do is that you need to check around to be able to see. You need to check. As you can see now, let me see. Check this one. As you can see, XRP has traded USDT, has traded ETH, has traded BTC. So it is approved for this type of transaction. So what you need is that you need to search for coins that trade with the three basic cryptocurrencies, which are USDT, ETH, and BTC. So what you have to do next is just come here, click on markets. Then what you have to do first is, since we know that XRP trades with the three cryptocurrencies, what we have to do is just come here, click on XRP ETH. So what we are going to do is that we are going to buy XRP with ETH. So what we are going to do is we're going to come here, click on buy. We'll buy maybe 1,200. It's kind of like much. Maybe we'll buy like 500, or let me say 300. So when we buy 300 XRP with ETH, what we are going to get is 0.081. Okay, what we are going to be using to buy it is 0.081 ETH for the XRP. So I want you to store this number in your head, because this is the number that we are going to be needing for this transaction to pull through successfully. So guys, after buying the XRP with ETH, we're going to be getting, okay, let's search again. XRP ETH. So we're going to buy 300 XRP. We're going to be getting 0.08103 ETH. So the next thing for you to do is that you have to go and convert this ETH to USDT. So what you need to do is that come here, click on ETH, click on USDT, and search, or you can just search for ETH directly. ETH USDT. So what you have to do is that you have to come. Okay. You have to sell your ETH for USDT. So basically, what you have to do is that you enter the amount of ETH that you have, which is 0.08. Oh, sorry. All we have to do is that we have to come and we have to look for XRP USDT, because we bought XRP initially. So what we have to do is that we have to come here, click on the amount of XRP that we have, which is 300, and we're going to be getting. No. This is wrong. Oh, sorry. My bad. We're going to come here and click on XRP USDT. So what we have to do is that we have to click on the amount of XRP that we have, which is 300, and we're going to be getting 222.52 USDT. So the next step for us to check if this is profitable is that we have to come to the same search option and search for XRP, and so USDT ETH. Just click on it, just search for ETH. Yes, then we're going to be selling our USDT for ETH, which is 222 0.52, and wow, this is a loss. Actually, this one is not profitable. So the next thing you can do is that you can come here, go back to the home page, then you search for another coin that can trade with the 3 different currency pairs. So now we check for Solana. No, it can only trade with USDT, so it cannot do what we want to use it to do. We check for Terra, the same thing. We check for AVAX, the same thing. Check Matic. Wow, Matic has only USDT and BTC. You need to have ETH too. We check for LTC. Wow, as you can see, this coin is perfect. It can trade with USDT, ETH and BTC. So what you have to do is just come here, go to the market, then come here and search for LTC. So what you have to do is just come here and search for LTC ETH and click on buy. The reason why I'm using Latoken for this stuff is because Latoken has a market order, while Hotbit does not have a market order. Hotbit has a limit order whereby you place an order, then it waits for someone to want to buy what you have to offer, then before they can execute your offer. But with Latoken, it has market execution, whereby all you have to do is just enter your order and it will be it will be filled immediately at the current price. So that's why I'm using Latoken for this offer. So right now, all you have to do is you have to come here and click on the amount of LTC that we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 1 LTC. So it will cost us 0.03899 ETH. So what we have to do is just come here. Then we bought the LTC already. So now click on LTC USDT. I hope you are getting this, LTC USDT. So we are going to sell our LTC, which is 1 from USDT. We are going to be getting 108.0167 USDT. So what we have to do next is that we have to come here again and search for ETH USDT. So we are going to be selling our USDT for ETH. Sell 108.0167, and for this we are going to be getting 0.039. Wow, this is a profit, but as you can see, it looks small, but it is profitable. So we're going to be getting 0.03915 ETH. So initially, remember that we bought this ETH for 0.0389, and now we are selling for 0.0391. So let me pull out my calculator. So 0.0389 minus 0.0391. So we're going to be getting 0.0002 ETH. And the best thing about this is that you can repeat this multiple times in a day. You can repeat this like 10 times, 20 times. So let's say that you repeat this offer for like 20 times in a day now. So you repeat this for like 20 times, that's times 20. You're going to be getting 0.004 ETH. And if you are even like more active, you can do this like, let's say you do this like 50 times in a day now. Let's say you do this like 50 times in a day. So now 0.0002 times 50. So you are going to be getting 0.01 ETH. So now 0.01 ETH. That's if you repeat this stuff like 50 times in a day. So now let's check for the value of 0.01 ETH. Let me go to my Trust wallet. ETH. Amounts $0.01. That is $27 in a day. That is, if you can do this like every day. Let's say that you do it for those 5 days. That's $27 in a day. 0.72. That's if you repeat it 50 times. And this is very, very easy. You can just do it instantly. Like, and the reason why I'm using Latoken is because they have market execution. So all you are doing is just like you are repeating the same thing like 50 times. Then if you are active enough, you can do this like, let's say 5 for like 10 days. So that's around $277 in just 10 days. Isn't this wonderful enough? Please guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video, and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified anytime I have a new update to share with you guys. And the best thing is that this video that I'm revealing right now is just the theoretical aspects. The practical aspects I will make the video later, and I'm going to show you guys how you are going to maximize and make more profit from this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.